Hello guys, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use App Store on Android phone. You guys can see Play Store and App Store. So how to use Play Store and App Store on Android phone? First of all, open any one browser, tap Chrome browser and tap on App Store APK for Android, download and tap on download. This link I am already mentioned on description. You have copy and download and tap on this again, download and tap on again, download this link, and after that tap on download again and tap on details. You guys can see download App Store. So after that go back your home screen and open your Play Store, and from here you search for this XAPK installer. Tap on and scroll down and select this app XAPK installer. I am already installed, and after install tap on OK, and after that tap on install APK files. Tap on this and tap on automatically search XAPK files and wait a few seconds. After that tap your App Store APK files, tap on this and tap on install. Wait a few seconds, and after that you guys can see app was installed successful. Then tap on OK and tap on your App Store and enjoy your App Store. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.